Let's talk about how to use your Vapman vaporizer. You open it by twisting the midsection counterclockwise, and then you get full access to the heating chamber. You put your herbs inside and then close it by twisting clockwise again. To the heating. First of all, the jet flame needs to be the right length. So the blue needs to be the same length as the midsection. Once set up, you're ready to heat. You just heat until click. It's very simple. If it's too low for you and you feel there is not enough vapor, just heat a few seconds more. And then start inhaling. You will hear a second click. Once you heard the click, you can reheat. If you finished the session, you just open up, put out your herbs, and you're ready to go. Cleaning is really simple on the Vapman. Just brush out the heating chamber with the cleaning brush and a cleaning solution of your choice, and clip off the filter from time to time, maybe after 100 uses, and pull out the stainless steel inlay. These two parts are made out of stainless steel, so can be cleaned in any cleaning solution. And these are the parts that get most dirt. If you have the POM mouthpiece, you can also put this out, put out the cooling spiral, and just soak everything in a cleaning solution. You can leave it soak in until you see that the residues slowly disappear, and then they're clean again. The wood parts we recommend to do dry cleaning only. Just clean them a little bit with a brush, and some people also like to put the middle piece and the mouthpiece in ISO, which works as well. That's all about cleaning. We have a little cutout on the mouthpiece that matches perfectly on the cutout on the middle piece. By turning it, you can restrict the airflow. Many people like it fully closed, so we recommend to start fully closed, but as you get used to using the Vapman, many people start by opening it up a little bit. So just play around with it and find your right amount of fresh air.